We see Alkaline over one part over there, so where them call Antigua. And remember, me telling you, there's something different about Alkaline. Yeah, man. In performance, you see Alkaline run up and down on stage. Yeah, man.
A few moments later.
So yes, people. Yes, people. Me see Alkaline and Aidonia. I big up them one another in our video. I take picture. Me see Alkaline and Skipper. I hail them one another. I show them one another respect. Wonderful, man. Wonderful.
2,000 years later.
TikTok. Yo, them can't say what them want say. Cause them have them mouth to say what them want say. But you see, Decking are one of the baddest party song since this summer.
One eternity later.
Alright, here what the Gaza no understand. The Gaza me have gangsters in the street. Where we slap out a head for them.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Me hear some man say being rich are the greatest thing in a life. Let me tell you this. Let me see you richer than life and health and strength. And clean conscience.
Damn!
I don't know what you with truth and facts. Big up.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Represent fully.
People, what go on, you don't know one media facts pan up, you know. Yeah, man. People must have say, yo, no man, media facts. Oh, y'all go on, so. Media facts full of content, man. Media facts, no, man. What y'all do? Yeah, man, and I don't know. Me tell you this, one thing I learn from Alka. You see it? From your work, you have the formula. Yeah, man, because we're there for you people, them. You see me? Yeah, man, we're there for you people, them. No matter if who rate you or who hate you. At the end of the day, them both are listen to you. You understand? Yeah, man, so we the elder skip forward out. I talk about Alkaline Antigua show. You see me? Yeah, man. Alkaline does show some man say, brother, a levels to this, a social long party. Yeah, man. It's after it's. You see me? So elder skip I go tell you what I go on. Although you know the money a craft, man.
We see Alkaline over one part over there, so where them call Antigua. And remember, me telling you, there's something different about Alkaline. Yeah, man. In performance, you see Alkaline run up and down on stage. Yeah, man. Alkaline run up and down on stage, Virgin. Me I tell you, yeah. Him fans are reach out to him and him a reach out to them back. Yo.
You know what the funniest thing, people? I know the first Alkaline moves up on stage, but I'm going to tell you what the problem. This a go on long time, you know. Seeing? Them know what go on, but I'm tell you what was the problem. You see, because back them time, them Massacre did good. Yeah, man, but since Massacre and them fall out, what them do, you know? As I'm tell you, them are undercover fans. What them do? Them use Alkaline for kind of this Massacre in a way. That's why you see them there and them attack and them prep up about Massacre performance because them know say Massacre is not that good performer. So that's why you know you see them because sometimes when them talk, them not really know. So that's why you see them prep up Alkaline performance because them Massacre not good and them know them Massacre not good for performance. That's why you see them attack now. Them a try go on like them a give Alkaline little credit and that style. But I know it. Because when them that prep up Massacre against Alkaline, them something I did a go on a long time Alkaline a dominate the stage. But no, them a go do go on like them not see it because them that prep up Massacre them time. But no, them a Massacre fall out now. Any little thing where them want to ray with them, them a use Alkaline. You see me? I saw it go. But you don't know. Yeah, man, you can't trick me. You see me?
Me not gonna tell a lie. You know me not tell a lie already. Me give everybody them credit. When you come good, we go vlog about your thing. You know what I say? If you do the wrong thing, you go vlog about the thing. You get what I say? That's what I am here for. So when they see them a do good, give them credit, man. The dog going good, man. Antigua crowd a sing. Yo, the dog come like him ready for box the Massacre out time place. Me not tell a lie. Yeah.
You see what I talk about? You see what I talk about? I bet if them a Massacre good, them wouldn't have thought this. Me I tell you, them wouldn't have said this. Me I tell you that.
Yeah, man. You look like Alkaline and tell himself, say, yo, you seem like somebody too complacent, you know. yo, dog. You look like the dog and tell himself, say, yo, me did too complacent and make that youth and name Crooks. Come push up your head, you know. Look like the dog, I put back down Massacre head, man, and I said, listen me. Let me stay next to the three giant them, man. Vibes Cartel, Movado, and Popcorn. Yeah, man. You know what I say? Look like that him and tell himself, I don't know joking. Yeah, at that him I tell himself, how can I live with popcorn? Remember, I couldn't know that. Popcorn is a mega star. You see me? Yeah. But Alkaline, pick up yourself, dog.
I chew popcorn at this cartel real weird, make a day I even attack. Remember me tell you that.
You see, the people them say, yo, the people them say, I don't like the vendetta boss. Because them, according to them, I always have vlog against the vendetta boss. But me and Travis say everything that I vlog is just the truth. And see me I give him credit, yeah. I open and say, me I see say me I give him credit, you know. No. Yeah, I open and see say me I give him the credit now. You know what I say? Yeah, dog, the dog are doing thing. Yeah, man. The dog are doing thing. Barbados, the dog give a great performance. My vlog about that. And then the man come here over Antigua. Yo, the dog run go way over there, so. And then the dog run go way over here, so. And him a jump. Yo. You see, this is why me. So yes.
Yeah, man, that's how I want to stay, man. We know just act for now. You see me, we know want to stay already, but you don't know. You have to respect, say you want to forward out and see what I go on and tell the truth. You see me? Yeah, man, but you know, say we under style. You see it? Yeah, man, you don't know me that first go to work already. Yeah, man, so David's son, I've got to go tell you what I go on.
People. Yes, people, I see Alkaline and Aidonia. I big up them one another in our video. I take picture. I see Alkaline and Skipper. I hear them one another. I show them one another respect. Wonderful, man, wonderful. But Aidonia and Alkaline. You don't care, give me a Callob. Aidonia and Alkaline. You don't care, give me a Callob. You don't give me a bad Callob, man. Please and thanks. Me a big.
Yo, you know, say enough people me here ask about collaboration. Because I post a video over TikTok, you know. A lot of people me see. I say, yo, Callob and every little thing. But I guess in the future, anything happen, you know. You see me? But I know the first Alkaline and Aidonia link up still. You understand? Remember, Aidonia work on Alkaline show and Alkaline work on Aidonia show. So, I don't know new if them link up. It might new to some people, but I don't know some. You see me? I guess to all them see all the two artists, them energy, like, them respect each other and, yo, you see me? Yeah, but them been a link, man. But anything possible in the future, we see what go on. You understand? You know, say Alkaline is a youth way. You know, him not to do collaboration like that. You see me? So, but anything possible. I don't can get any work on any project any day, anytime. You see me? Yeah, man, that would be a mad collaboration as well. Is it?
I'm big enough for you one Callob. Alkaline, I want to ask you. Can I see you on a stage show, you know? I see you on a stage show. So I want to ask you. Look like the ladies, them write the song they give you. Eh? Oh God. Alkaline say me can't sing it. Uno sing it for me and people, ladies, them not itch. The ladies, them not play with. When girl good, girl good. Oh God. What a song I take over the world by storm. Alkaline, keep on with the bang of them. Keep on surprise them. Keep up your good work and keep on. Believe in your fans them, because your fans them believe in you. And keep on feed your fans them, especially the ladies them, with the song them. When them not afraid to sing, keep on give the girls them the song them where them can relate it to Alkaline. Them never want this, no you do it. Them did lock you out, or them did want lock you out. But the mindset where you have, them could stop it. The mindset where you have, them could do it. Them could lock you out of your business. So go and keep focus. Go and big, go and surprise, go and...
TikTok, yo, them can't say what them want say, cause them have them mouth to say what them want say. But you see, Decking are one of the baddest party song since this summer. May I tell you know that? Yeah, man, I one of the baddest party song for this year, man. Decking, Alkaline song, we entitled Decking, people, are one of the baddest party song for this summer. Yeah. Me not lie, this song sweet like a sugar. Remember, you must 21 and older to drink, and drink responsible. You see what I say? Yeah, don't overdo it, and don't drink too much. Don't drink and drive. That's what I'm telling you. Don't drink and drive. But I tell you, say.
Dick in a morning. Yeah, man, that song they a mad party song, man. If when that drop in a party, I know nothing normal. I tell you that. I know nothing normal. I told them I drive people. And when me I drive, me hear Alkaline song, the song with name Better Body. I jump in one car in a people and I say, yeah, people, them a listen, you stay there. You know just go on, man. You see me? The song the Better Body, a tough song. It a play. That me I tell you. Yeah, song a play out there. So Alkaline go overseas and drop them song and people know them. I think a joke.
Yo, that's song, yeah. You imagine you honor your vibes, a nice spliff and think like when we do more. Fun a nice little night and just take a little sip. Lord of His mercy, and there's a blast of music here in your background and just doing some dancing, exercising. I tell us that they kid our badass party song. I'm not telling no lie, people. You know, can't say no one say me just attack my mind. You see what I say? Me attack when I feel from this party song. Yeah. They kid, you see you in a good mood and I listen to this song. Yeah. Lord of His mercy, people. Yo, just think about all power and Christmas. And you hear the vibes and I eat up some food and thing. You see what I say? And you drink up some booze and then they can start playing. Me and left you as a joke. Yo, me not care who I say this like a garbage or whatever. Me like it. It doesn't matter what I say. Me like it. And me can't get bored listening to the song. And I'm not saying I'm promoting drinking as no Rasta, but it's just an artist doing his thing. You see me? I say, I'm just painting a vibes picture. You see me? Yeah. You have to know if you drink, man. Don't overdo it and don't get addicted. Alkaline. Yo. Your body Alkaline. Yo, your body. You say your melody and your flow sinking. Yo, Alkaline, I want bad artist star. I tell you all the time, say, you know. Alkaline and Vibes Cartel will always be my artist. I mean, I don't care what they say about Vibes Cartel either. You see what I say? Musically, yo, I rate Cartel also. But right, and a Cartel we really talk about right now is Decade, Alkaline song, the baddest party song to I and I. One of my nose, I'm out.
Alright, here what the Gaza don't understand. The Gaza me have gangsters in the street. Where we slap out a head for them, and hold a man and beat a man for them. But let me tell you this. You see the man that will protect the Gaza in the street. Different from the man that will protect the Gaza on social media. Me tell every artist this already. Every artist in a dance hall with have a big platform. If you have a blogger or a podcast where you support them thing or a back them thing in the social media. Artists can't do it themselves. The gangster them with the artists them having on the street where we bust out the head for them and see a man or beat a man for them. They cannot protect the artists them in social media.
Yeah, man, a real talk, man. Can't protect them. You see me? Can't protect them. You see me? Social media is a different thing from the real world. You see me? You can't control it. You see me? Yeah, man, you not have everybody phone for can shut down and all of them thing there. You see me? And once that gonna go viral, you can't stop it. You see it? Cause they in everybody timeline and feed.
Artists them need them own vloggers them in a social media. So when I see Cartel, if he come out for himself now, and if he make be nice as a big rich superstar, friend proclaimed king of dancehall, how does that look? Me never see Mavado do that yet. Me never see Alkaline do that yet. Me never see Massacre do that yet. Me never see Beanie Man do that yet. Me never see Bounty Killer do that yet. But guess what? The biggest and the baddest in dancehall Vibes Cartel, if he out here fight him own social media war. Vibes Cartel. A two type of gangster protect a artist. Two type of gangster in a 2026. You have the gangster them in the road. We deal with things in the road. If a head fi bust out or a man fi get beat, them deal with that in the road physically. And then you have another set of gangsters who them call the bloggers them, who defend you on social media and beat anybody on social media if you get beat. But guess what? The Gaza defense get tear down. The Gaza no have no bloggers. I be a clone over the Gaza, a rep for the Gaza. And it is clear to see, because if Vibes Cartel himself, if he come out a troll man and get up every day a chat about man, a different ball game, remember you know.
Yo, and to be honest, I don't know how the man do it, bro. To be honest, I don't know how the man do it, brother. I tell you, I don't know. Yo, for foot type of job the man, brother, something must wrong, bro. You understand? Foot hype. Or him just love that type of clothing. You see me? Yeah, brother. Like, if me, we have certain assets or something like what guys got, brother, like, people up on the internet, bro, like, they would have come like, me see one little ants over this I walk and me don't even care. You see me? But I guess, you know, the mindset is a different thing from the atmosphere and where they're around, you know. You understand? People might not get into the asset them where you have, but it's when you come to the mind and the brain, there is something there that attach on to certain things where they on the internet. Yes, something is there where make you keep on a reply or throw shades off of certain things, like, you know? Because if it was never that type of mindset, trust me, you'd have a different outcome and a different response. You see me?
When me drought Vice Cartel what year, boss see them. Every day Vice Cartel a post boss see them. Let me ask a question now. Is it see them Vice Cartel posting about now? Or baby father, or who broke, or who watch him house, or who this? Me I tell you no. Vice Cartel insecure body no. Vice Cartel shaky body no. When it come on to criticism, you know, him can't manage it. Because Vice Cartel thought that he could have run social media. But he no understands that social media is a place under no control. And no artist can control social media or run social media for them way. It is impossible. That is why you have real top bloggers. But guess what to the Gaza now? That is what the Gaza don't have. The Gaza have a set of Batman over there. We love talk about who in a man mouth and man come in a mouth. And who a fuck man from which man now fuck other man. And who figure suck out them mama. That cannot protect an artist in the blogging world.
That are the thing. You see more why when the man them a reason, the man them just can't give some potent reasoning. Like, alright, you talk something about cartel, you defend this behind man thing and woman and all of them little thing there, them nasty thing there, the man them have to involve that. The man them can't give some you see me, some good talking, some intellectual things and all of them little thing there. Them can't talk smart. You see me, it's like the man them come like some downtown thing. Some tracing and all of them little thing there, bro. You understand? Yeah, them little vibes of them go like the man them a move like some little girl, like some cheerleading thing. You understand? The man them now out there put out no potent reasoning and all of them thing. They just a bag of tracing and bring up the fishy reasoning them and that's all them do. Nothing else.
Them now black with intelligence. Them can't even analyze who go against the artist to know what kind of craft to drop on them. This and the problem with them little idiot Gaza bloggers here. And see they know they are so stupid that them own boss say they are not capable of what they are out here to do. That's Vice Cartel himself of it out here defend himself in the social media. It's a disgrace, man. I want to call yourself bloggers, but they tell you already, but no name believe me. No blogger, no they Gaza. I be nice them make and chat him out them. I clown them. If them not tell a man to go suck out them mother, or tell a man say who's in them mouth, or man a wine them, or man a come in them mouth, or ask dead and cow fat. That's not blogging, bro. That's not blogging. Look into it. How does it really look? This is no boss out here. A troll man every day. How does it look to see a man say something about a superstar artist, and the artist not have nobody out there? The artists not have nobody out there to defend him in the social media. Because who claims them make nice for the Gaza? Them no care no impact. Them not have no weight. Everybody knows them a clown, them a nice maker.
And the thing is that, you know, Vice Cartel just now gonna make that happen, you know. Him a go involve himself. Him now gonna make none of them vlogger them do nothing for him. That's him. You understand? Him now make nobody take him clout. You see me? Remember when the man there prison, you know, and the man found out. The man say, yo, him not give nobody him strength, him not give nobody ray. Cause him know say a film time now, prison hype and everything. You understand? But when him did their prison or whatever, the man them a highlight him and all them look thing there. You see me? Him love that. You see it? But when a film time, yeah. So him not give no vlogger, brother. No vlogger. Him is a brother where him love overshadow everybody. You see me?
Let me check the stats, you know. You remember when J Progress went there the Gaza and Foot Hype run out? A 2 month nobody knows if Foot Hype on social media for. And that wasn't even when he was locked up. Because them not study the apps them and know what hurt them the most for drop on them. Like me I tell you say, them are black but them not black with no brain. And it make me always tell them, me didn't know say when I go come down to this, you know. That's why I was capable of running upon the Gaza and break down the defense. And see they know, a bird sees upon the Gaza. Every angle I'm gonna attack the Gaza from, and the Gaza can't defend themselves. Till Vice Cartel himself have it out here fight petty war for the Gaza. Come on, man. Me ask Alkaline them, me ask the vendetta side of them have no blacker with them can lend the Gaza for a week or something. Just to help the boots up them defense. Or the genocide, to see if them can help the Gaza little bit, just to boots up them defense. When I hear me tell you say bird sees up on the Gaza, Duppy was there free for the taking.
Brother, no vendetta vlogger, nah help no Gaza vlogger, brother. Remember, you know, I see them Gaza man them we are this the vendetta vlogger them, you know. At this the vendetta artist, you know. So how we know we go give them strength. Brother, them have to are them and God alone, you know. You understand? Are them and God alone. You see, no vendetta vlogger now go defend no Gaza thing. Oh, vendetta vloggers are gonna defend people we've been a bring down for 13 years. 13 years now when the Gaza thing I bring down Alkaline. Just through Alkaline no bow down to them artists. You understand? You that thing say a cartel boss Alkaline. Seeing? And I know the eyeball. Seeing? So we can vendetta vlogger now go take up themselves. All of you paid the real vendetta, all of your cartels say you don't pay this for them vlog. Them not go do that. You understand? Them not go do that. If it's a real vlogger where follow the Alkaline story, they from day one when the fight there with the youth. Them not got she switch to that, my G. Gaza for go angle them whole prayer right now. It come like a parasite, I eat parasite right now, you know. Yeah, man.
I wanna see for yourself now. Right now, the entire Gaza uncompatible. Listen to me, artists. When you get to yourself, reputable blogger, the rep for you, just chat him out to make nice out here. And things say I want suck your mother, or I want tell a man say my batty man, or I want tell a man say who deny mouth, or I want tell a man say man I fuck him, or I want that is not blogging. That doesn't last for any time. Because ask yourself the question, what about the apps who that no bother, who know the blogging world and know say? Wonder if these guys actually know that these are just making them looking dumb and showing the world that they are just chatting out and not have nothing about them in a blogging. Boy, Gaza. Ah, boy. Me go pray for you still. Because right now the Gaza ship sinking. Social media is not an easy place. And I in the road this. Maybe if a gangster in the road and can slap out a head or beat a man or baiting for the Gaza is different. But then you have social media. And social media is a world for itself. And we can tell any man this. Social media is more detrimental to an artist's career than in the road. Believe me when me tell you that. Me hear some man say being rich are the greatest thing in a life. Let me tell you this. Let me see you richer than life and health and strength and clean conscience. A rich you say you're rich, I one thing me know in a life. A fool and his money shall always depart. Believe me when me tell you that.
Yeah, man. You see me, remember, you know? Remember when you found out of your mother belly, you know? Seeing? You never found out without, you never forward to this world with money in your hand. You understand? Yeah, man, you forward with 2 empty hands. And you're going to go back with 2 empty hands. You see me? Yeah, man. You see right now, my riches is life. You understand? Me can drive, go in and me want. Me can buy any food me want to eat. You understand? Me have a shelter over my head. Me good, me great. You understand? Healthy. Now wishing no sickness pan, no man. You could have sick and in a bed right now. See? And want certain things. I want one organ. And if you can't find that the organ there, no money out there can save you. If you can't find that the organ there, fi buy, no money can save you fi live. You understand? Me I tell you, when you reach certain place, that's a one thing money can buy. You see it? Yeah, man. So when I your time, I just your time. At the end of the day, you just have to give thanks. Say, yo, you're still living. You see it? You can walk, you can see, you can hear. You can go anywhere you want. Walk, go anywhere. You see it? You wake up in the morning, you see a different day. You see me? You can drink some water. Yeah, man, give God thanks. You see me? Because right now, we have people in a hospital right now. Wish them could have been healthy like you right now. We are walking and everything right now. So at the end of the day, once you can move around and everything, and you're not in a hospital and a sick bed, give God thanks. See him way. You understand? People, pick up on yourself when you don't know one media facts pan the app. That is it.